Presiden terpilih Indonesia Prabowo Subianto memastikan dirinya tidak akan memimpin Indonesia dengan gaya militer walaupun dirinya ini berasal dari TNI. Pernyataan ini disampaikan Prabowo saat menjawab tentang gaya kepemimpinan yang akan ia gunakan saat memimpin Indonesia dalam Forum Ekonomi Qatar di Doha. Prabowo bilang dirinya sudah lama tidak berada di dunia militer sehingga pendapat jika ia akan membuat kebijakan dengan sudut pandang militer dinilai tak relevan.
Many of my people are still living out. I've been out of the military for what? Maybe more than 25 years. So I think it's just it's a what do you call it? It's a non sequitur. It doesn't relate to any.
What kind of leadership style do you think you'll adopt as a president?
I will be myself. I will be genuine.
What does that mean?
That means that you are true to your principles, your values, your ideals.